Howdy, unraveling the charm of Southern greetings. Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore a fun and unique English greeting, howdy. Ever heard of it? Let's dive in and uncover its origins and meanings. You'll soon be able to use it like a pro. Howdy is a contraction of the phrase, how do you do? Originally, this was a formal greeting used in the English language, much like, how are you? Over time, especially in the American South, this phrase was shortened to just, howdy, becoming a casual and friendly way to say hello. Using howdy is pretty straightforward. Here's how. 1. Casual setting. Howdy is informal. It's best suited for casual settings, like meeting friends or addressing someone in a relaxed environment. 2. With a smile. When you say, howdy, wear a warm smile. It accentuates the friendliness of the greeting. 3. Variations. You might hear variations like, howdy partner, especially in Western movies or settings. The addition of partner gives it an extra touch of camaraderie. While howdy originated in the American South, its charm has spread far and wide. It's especially popular in Texas. In fact, students at Texas A&M University, a major institution in the state, are known for using howdy as a standard greeting. However, it's essential to note that howdy, though recognized, might not be commonly used in every English-speaking region. So, while it's a fun greeting to know, it's also essential to gauge the situation and choose the right greeting for the right context. And there you have it. Now you know the history, usage, and charm behind the greeting, howdy. Next time you want to add a touch of Southern warmth to your greetings, you know exactly what to say. Hope this video was helpful, and until next time, howdy y'all.